Anyone studying biology, or more specifically, anyone who's ever forgotten any of the structures of the heart, needs to know these 4 easy memory tricks and rules about labeling the heart so that you can identify any structure of it in the exam. And just before I start, I hope there's no one here who's going to be one of those people who comments saying, this is really easy, I can't believe anyone wouldn't know this. If you know this, that's really good and I'm glad you do. But there are some people who struggle with this, and that's totally fine. And if you're one of those people, I'm really glad you're here, and hopefully I'm going to make this a little bit easier for you. Rule 1. The top chambers of the heart are called the atria and the bottom chambers are called the ventricles. You can easily remember this because the ventricles, they actually look like V's if you look at the structure of the heart. And also A comes above V in the alphabet, so they're above. Rule 2. The side that you see as the left is actually the right. This is just because when you look at a diagram of the heart, it's as if it's in a person who's facing you. And so therefore their left is your right. Rule 3. Veins return blood to the heart and arteries carry blood away. You can just think of this A for artery, A for away. Aorta is an artery because it begins with an A. Vena cava is a vein because it begins with a V. Finally, rule 4. Pulmonary means lungs, and so therefore pulmonary artery carries blood away from the heart to the lungs. Pulmonary vein returns blood to the heart from the lungs. And so if you know that, you can work out the function of the vena cava and the aorta. The vena cava is a vein, it must return blood to the heart, but it's not from the lungs, so it's from the rest of the body. The aorta is an artery, so it's carrying blood away from the heart, but it's not to the lungs, it's to the body.